Look what I have for today's lunch. So, nandito kami sa Indian Restaurant and Grocery. Tapos si AJ meron siyang parang lunch box nila. So, lahat yan vegetarian. Ito naman sa akin, ito yung binabalikan ko, yung egg puff, chicken puff, tsaka paneer puff. Yummy! Kain. Let's see kung masarap. Ita-try muna natin itong paneer puff. Kagagaling lang namin sa prenatal checkup ko. So, everything okay. Thank you, Lord. Kaya, and it's Tuesday, so parang ano natin to, cheat day. Kain. With tamarind sauce, chutney. Their tamarind chutney is like a water na. But it's okay, it tastes good. Siyempre Indian taste, pero parang in the salty side. There's a little bit of spicy. Good. For me, hindi sa ganun ka-tasty. Mamaya na ulit yan. Natin tong chicken. Yung pastry kasi siya, tapos may toppings. Oh. Tas deep fried. Chicken. Para siyang empanada. Malasang version ng empanada. It's gonna be perfect if it's your chutney lang. Tapos a little bit spicy. Pero sobrang konti lang yung spice. I like this one. You don't have a meeting today?
$50, 50, almost $70 one box free.
Ito na yung, okay, we'll stop you later, love, sorry. Ito na yung binabalik-balikan ko. Yung egg puff. Sana ganun pa rin. Parang same sila ng stuffings, pero ito yung may egg. Pero, but kasi, nung time na try ko to, ang tasty niya. Kaya, then tamarind chutney. Ay, sorry. Same lang, pero syempre iba pa rin ang lasa ng egg. Yummy. Pero parang iba yung nakain ko ng makaan. Overall, it's okay. Mas malasa yung egg. Para lang siyang empanada talaga, literal. Pero, syempre, merong touch ng Indian herbs and spices. Potato, green peas. Try nyo. Masarap. See you again next time.